the authority of the university entrusted to me, I confer upon all those persons whose names have been read the degree of Master of Public Health of Uganda Christian University. In the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Your faith should continue to be the guiding light in your choices in a world that is often...
Carry forward what you have received here, not just the academic knowledge, but the values of faith, integrity, and compassion.
Ngenda kubeera omunnamateeka agobeera ethics, agobeera amateeka gennyini.
Omuntu yenna bw'otuuka ekiseera n'ogamba nti kaakati nze mbimanyi nnyo sikyetaaga kusoma, awo oba otandise okwonooneka. Kikulu ne twongerako.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.